Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through the process of creating your own title blocks. Let's dive right in! The first step involves opening your own title block DWG file in a software like AutoCAD. Open also a Liftdesigner title block as a template. Look to the lower right corner. You'll spot a tiny point. That's the insertion point. Now we need to transfer this point from the template to our own title block. When you insert the title block via the sheet properties, your title block will be located correctly in the Liftdesigner drawing thanks to the insertion point. Now let's add some references to the title block so that it automatically adjusts when the values in DigiPara Liftdesigner change. For instance, copy the external string of the car width and depth and input them into the title block in your CAD program. Let's enter the count of the floor levels to the stops. Next, include the name of the drawing creator. This value can be edited in the project main data. Lastly, let's add the project name. Simple, right? Remember to save your customized title block with a name starting with the prefix title _. This special prefix assists Liftdesigner in easily locating your personalized title block. The same rule applies when saving your custom drawing border. Initiate the name with board _. For a quick test to see if the text adjusts automatically, modify the values of the cabin, add floor levels, and enter different names in the main project data. And voila! It adjusts seamlessly. Thanks for watching!